Okay, the K&B Fuji 05 Aero engine. We are going to run it. It's getting late again on Saturday. It's been a pretty good engine. I can't really complain. It's got pretty good compression. It's really quiet with this muffler, which I recommend you get because the fuel pressure from the muffler to the tank seems to deliver a more consistent fuel ratio to the carburetor under pressure. I would definitely say it's got more. I don't have a tach meter. I've never used one. I've always just did everything by ear. Plus you can tweak it on the ground to max RPM, but you're still going to have to lean it up because once it gets in the air, that prop's going to be spinning faster. But, you know, everybody has their own opinion on that. But I'm going to use electric starter just to make this quick. They're on sale right now for 69 bucks, 70 with the muffler. If you buy over 5 at one time, I know he'll give you a break on each engine. You can contact me, just PM me or whatever, and I can see if I can. I did it for one other guy and got it to where he got some money off each engine. He actually saved enough to buy another engine. They run pretty cool. No complaints on that. Yesterday when I was running it, I was running my old Cox. No, it ain't old. I bought it off eBay, but I have had it for a couple of years. So I broke out some new half-A fuel, and it is running better on that. I thought it was running good yesterday, but now it's running better with a newer fuel. I probably got 4 or 5 bottles of that stuff laying around. I got to start using it up. But we'll go ahead and start it. Oh. It is extremely quiet, and this nice nose cone it comes with it. That is just awesome. Fits that just perfect. I was playing with it earlier. And sounds loud on the camera, but standing here, it's about half as loud as 049, and that is throwing out a lot of air. I mean, a lot. Idle's really low. Transition's good and smooth now. I think if there was writing on that prop, you could read it. I'm going to let this run for a while and break in a little more. I like to run my engines before I fly them. Well, there's something a Cox or an Novell won't do, is idle that low and run. Just going to leave it run right about there. And, yeah. That is a really low idle, and this thing is super quiet. They do take a little running in to get them to run like this. Fuji 05 Aero, or airplane, by K&B.